はシェリーです。そして彼女は私の娘です。と、これは私たちの夢トゥインズアンボックシング
Old enough.
So, if you've been following me for any length of time, you should already know that I've spent more than a few years living in Tokyo, Japan. Actually, the better part of my 20s was spent in Tokyo, in Futakutamagawa. So when Yume twins reached out to me and offered to send me a complimentary box of their groovy monthly subscription goodies, of course I had to say yes. And because it is full of a kawaii goodness, I thought I would include my wonderful little mini-me. And we also dressed up as twins. So, are you ready to finally get unboxing?
Yes.
I guess she has been waiting to do this for a couple days now. So, the excitement. Ah! All right, shall we? Let's see what is inside. Ooh. So here we have what the box looks like. Somebody already took something out. And it looks like we got the Totoro box. And Totoro is awesome and such an amazing character. And of course, the movie, the series, it is fantastic. I'm super pleased with this. And I'm sure you will be too. I know. Fantastic. But shall we take everything out though?
Yes.
Yes. So somebody has definitely inherited my love of Japanese food. And so I think these adorable Totoro hashi, you're going to love those chopsticks. Oh, your very own. Now you don't have to steal mommy's ones all the time. What else do we have? Oh, an adorable little mug. Oh, so cute. And this appears to be an on-the-go washcloth complete with a case. Now, these are, of course, all things that I actually had when I lived in Japan, and they were super convenient and fantastic. And again, how fun, wonderfully no waste and zero waste is that, to take your very own cloth with you in a carrying case so it can be moistened and rinsed out and used again. And I think it is a bento box, a lunch box, yeah! And the last, what is this? Appears to be a tablecloth. So I think we pretty much got everything in here needed for what? For a picnic, for lunches. And school is just around the corner, so somebody is going to have a pretty cool lunch bag this year. Yeah, we're going to go take all the plastic off and we'll be back to show you everything. これは超すごいですね. This is all so fantastic and of course super kawaii. So yeah, have a closer look at the adorable cup, the fantastic kind of washcloth, la la, plus the carrying case so you can take it with you wet or dry. As well as, oh, what do we have next? The adorable hashi, or chopsticks. And you're very good at using chopsticks now, aren't you? Plus, not one, but two adorable bento boxes. La, la. And the fantastic plastic picnic mat. So this is 100% the most adorable Totoro picnic set ever. And I went ahead and just did this super quick instant DIY and transformed the Yume twins box that it came in into a picnic box. So yeah, all I did was poke a couple holes through all the layers of the box on the side and added a string, then knotted it on the inside. And yeah, we have a fantastic picnic box that everything fits in nicely. And yeah, we can take with us and go on a picnic, right? So I think now, are we going to go on a picnic today? Okay. Yeah, 2 little leopards going on a picnic together. And if you guys think this is super cool, well, Yume Twins does offer monthly subscription boxes, so you can get one of these delivered to your door with fabulous kawaii surprises in it every single month. And of course, if you click the link below, I just might get a little kickback, few pennies for myself if you click that affiliate link and order your own. And I definitely think we're going to be getting some more of these. What do you think? Yeah? Do you love it? Yeah? Okay. Ooh, look at you go with your hashi. So thank you, Yume Twins, for this kawaii box. And yeah, hopefully hopefully you guys will try it out. Order your own. And if you don't want to order a hairball. If you don't want to order your own box, go to their site. Put the link below. Once again, the link is down below. And yeah, you can order these individually from their site as well, which is pretty darn cool. So yeah, as always, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Head on over to awesomesauceashattery.com for all of my rockin' refashionista, upcycling, zero waste, sustainable lifestyle tutorials. And again, I love this set. It is a sustainable set. It is a no waste set because everything is wonderfully reusable, and it'll be going in your lunch, I think, every day of this next school year. So as I said, be sure head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesauceashattery.com. Subscribe to the channel. Check out my over 1,400 totally free sustainable lifestyle, upcycling, eco-fashion tips, tricks, tutorials, and and yeah, until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag. Arigato, Yume Twins!